Here's another formula. We want to solve for m. This formula, this is also in your book. It's still example 2, letter B in your book. So they give you a formula for the typing speed that a person has. W, it stands for the number of words typed. E is the number of errors made while typing. And S stands for the speed. The speed is words per minute that you type, okay? And M is the number of minutes that you are typing. So this formula tells you the speed of a person's typing. And we want to solve for W. So what do? This is what we do. This is who we want to isolate, this W right here, okay? Now notice W minus 10e, this whole expression in the numerator, the whole thing is divided by m, okay? So when we look at what's going on with W is inside an expression which the whole thing is divided by m. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply by m so I can undo this division that belongs to both the W and the 10e. So once I get rid of this m, I will have W minus 10e alone on this side of the equal sign. Here's my equal sign. So on this side, this is what I'm going to do. My first step is I'm going to multiply by m. So let's do that. Times m. And if I multiply times m on this side, and remember m is over 1, I multiply times m on the other side. Okay? And watch what happens. I can cross cancel m and m. Why can I do that? Let me go back before I cross cancel m over m. Let me go to the side and let me write W minus 10e times m over 1, and this is over m. Now notice I have a fraction times a fraction. When we have fractions multiplied by fractions, we multiply the numerator with the numerator. So this comes out to be W minus 10e, the whole thing, times m. And in the denominator, this becomes m times 1, which is m. Notice I have m in the numerator, m in the denominator, so that's why I can cross these out and they become a 1. And 1 times anything is anything, so this will come out to be W minus 10e. Okay? So that's why I can cancel out m, and it becomes 1. Okay? M divided by m is 1. When I multiply m times s, I simply have ms equals, and on this side, since both m's canceled out, I'm left with W minus 10e. Now, how do I isolate W? Well, W is subtracted by 10e, so I'm going to add 10e because that will cancel out 10e minus 10e on both sides. So negative 10e plus 10e, that equals 0. So I'm left with W on this side, and on the other side of the equal sign, I'm left with ms minus 10e. I can't simplify these expressions because they are not like terms. So I'm done. I've isolated W, and we always write the variable to the left side, ms minus 10e. And there's your answer.